Teddy. Teddy, say hi. Hi. Teddy, hi. Teddy. How are you? How are you? Teddy. Zoom, 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 zoom. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the list of accessories I've got on my bike, the BMW G310GS. So in the previous video I shared my 3 years experience about the bike. So I want to do the accessories list in that itself, but the video was huge. So I made it into the second part. So this is the second part of the video. So when I got the bike, it was literally like this, and I changed it in a 1 year of span. It became like this. So the entire accessories were given by the Bike and Bikers. They didn't give it for free, we had to pay. It was a big expense also for that. So let's start. So when it comes to safety, so there's so I've got the tank guard and the engine guard, so you know its purpose. So if it protects from the damages and all. While vehicle drops down or bump into an accident, it protects from that. And the other thing is the hand guards. So hand guard also, so when the bike drops, the first impact is on the handrail only, so it protects from that. And the hand guard also, I've got the aluminium one, not the plastic one, because the plastic one is just for a show. The aluminium one, it's strong and frigid also. I don't like the front backbuster also. I need to change the color, because when I got it there was I didn't have a color option, only one color was there. And I've changed my tank body color also, not my body color, the vehicle's body color also. So I'll show you that also later. You might have seen but you wouldn't have noticed it. So my entire bike setup is like, the only brand you can see is FROM BIKENBIKER, nothing else. So if you don't know what FROM BIKENBIKER is, they are the German brand. They manufacture accessories for the bike, not only my bike, all bikes, like all the BMW bikes, for Triumph, for Ducati, like most everything. And safety wise, these 3 things. Another thing is, what else is there? Other small general stuffs, and also like the radiator guard by Luggage, and the radiator guard. And what else? The front mudguard extender, so it prevents from mud splashes and all. And when it comes to comfort and convenience, not seating comfort and convenience, the extra, how do I tell you, I don't know, I'll show you. I've got the mobile holder also, the RAM mounts. So if you would have seen some local stuff also, but that it's not that why aren't words coming out of my mouth? I don't know how to tell, I forgot. So that RAM mounts are, I don't know. The RAM mounts the mobile holder, so simple to say. So it holds your phone tight it seems. Yeah. So even if you go on high speeds on the highways, your mobile won't come out of that grip, so it holds your mobile very tight, hard. And you got that rubber elastic thing also, which you can put up on the mobile, and it holds tight. It holds firm. Damn it, I was searching for this word. It holds firm. And other thing is the mobile charger, so it's a dual USB port. I've got that also, and it charges faster than my car charger itself. So while going on the road, I've just put my mobile on the RAM mounts and the charger and a small cable, C-type cable on the charging port, the dual USB port connected, and happily go. And the dual USB port also is waterproof, so you get that water resistant rubber cap. So when you use it, so any rainfall or any like washing the vehicle, and also it doesn't get affected, the USB charger. And other thing is, so as I told in the previous video, since I'm short and I have to bend little, So I had raised the handlebar, so using rocks razors. So that is only for BMW, so you get for the specified vehicles, you get the specific ones. And the other thing is I've got the touring screen. So you know what the touring screen purpose is, it prevents the opposite wind blast and all. So if you're going for a long drive speed, if you're going in high speed and all, you will have the wind blast. When the wind blast is too much on your face, it's very hard to ride. So the touring screen prevents that wind blast and all. So that is from Buge. And the other thing is I've got the gear lever enlarger and the brake lever enlarger. The reason why I got those is when I put my riding boots and all, the stock ones were so small. My riding boots is so large, it's difficult to, I had to search and see where that is. So I had to get those enlargers and all. So that was useful. And other thing is the auxiliary lights. So as I told in the previous video, the headlights are bad, the stock headlights are bad. So I got the auxiliary lights, and the auxiliary lights are not from Bikers, it is aftermarket. So I went to the local market and I found that, and that costed me cheap only, because a similar one, the branded one and the good one, cost you 40,000. So I went and got the cheap one, because 40,000. I'm like, does this bike deserve 40,000 rupees light? I mean, some people do buy it. No offense, but I generally didn't want it. So I'll put that link in the description. Even it's available in Amazon also, so you can have a look at it. And I've got those small mirrors on the mirror. I don't know what is the movable mirrors and all. So that I use it to look at my panniers and all, because sometimes when I ride with the panniers, I forget that I have panniers with me. So mainly I'll go inside the traffic and all. So whenever I see the mirror, it reminds me, okay, I have panniers with me, I have to go carefully. So that is I use. I've got the small mirrors and all. Generally they use it in the car, but I use it for the bike also. And the other thing is I've got the tank grips, the tank side grips and all. So that helps you while saddling, and also you won't slide. So since this surface is smooth, so when you're saddling or when you're riding, so you won't get much grip over there. So since it is smooth, you might just slide over, and even it prevents from scratches also, because while wearing the entire riding suit and all, so when you're having knee guards and all, scratches might happen on the tank side. So those grips are helpful in that way also. And other thing is the side stand extender. So the reason why I got the side stand extender is, the stock side stand was when I put a side stand, the bike would lean a lot. So I was scared. So while climbing on the bike and all, I just feel like the bike is falling over me. So once I got the side stand extender, so the bike won't lean a lot. It stands stagnant, and even in the mud and slushy area and all, the extender helps a lot, because generally normal side stand would just go inside the mud, but this won't. So since it's wide, it stands on the mud, and I don't know how the physics works in that and all, but it does stand. I've seen it. And the other thing is, I think I've covered everything. What else is there? On the main thing, the center stand. The bike didn't come with the center stand, so I had to get the center stand also for the bike. The only thing that came with the bike was bash plate, or what is that? I think it's the bash plate only. So the plastic bash plate they had given, so only that came with the bike, and the bike obviously. So only that thing. So rest all I had to get it accessorized. And what else have I missed? That's it. And the main part, so the luggage. So generally you get soft luggage and the hard luggage. So I went for the hard luggage because the soft luggage didn't look much good up on the bike. So I went for the hard one. So the top case and the side panniers and the top rack and the side racks and all. So I got the bigger versions of it only. You get two versions, and after putting that only, the entire look of the bike has changed. So that's also by FROM BIKENBIKER. And the tank bag. a tank bag and tank lock also. So generally when you get the magnetic one also, my tank is not metal, so magnet won't work, so I had to get a ring lock around the tank lid and the tank bag. So then a tank bag is GV, it's 5 liter, so I store all my camera, my charger, GoPro accessories and all in that. I think I've covered everything. So top case and the side panniers also, you would see all the stickers and all. Those are all the brands that are there on my bike. All the brands, not all the brands. Some brands are not there, some brands are there. You'll even see Iron Man and Assassin's Creed also. So once I got the top case and side panniers and all, put all carbon fiber, nicely did stickering and all. After stickering, put an overlay coat, a transparent thing, overlay thing I did. And so putting all the panniers and top case and all, the bike looks big. It's like from baby GS, it looks like teenage GS. And I told you, no, I've changed the body color of the bike. Yes, the body color, before the color was like grey on the sides of the tank. I changed it to white because I was jobless in the previous lockdown. I wanted to do something. I just took a spray paint, but I didn't spray. My dad screwed me. I got the paint job done from an outside mechanic, and that's it. And there are some accessories which are left out also, like the front headlight guard also. So I didn't want the headlight guard because I don't know, it changes the look of the bike itself. Of course you want the look of the bike to change, but I didn't like it. Anyways, I'm changing the headlight itself, so what's the use of having that headlight guard? And even you get the rear tire hugger also. So the rear tire hugger, you can with the number plate even there. So I didn't even get that also, because the bike looks, without the mudguard, it looks like a dirt bike from back to see. So I didn't get that also. And what else is there for the bike? There are still huge setup. You get a GPS separate monitor also, and even you, instead of having both the RAM mobile mounts and the USB charger, you get a wireless charger itself, and you can keep a separate toolkit also on the bike, like a separate toolkit, not the toolkit which they give. You can fit a separate toolbox itself on the bike. So there are still extra accessories. So in case if you want, not only this bike, there are other bikes from Royal Enfield till Ducati, BMW, they have all the accessories, Bike and Bikers. So right now they are closed because of the lockdown, but they have their app and own website also, so you can go there. They do online deliveries also. So in case if you want anything, you can just go. Any bikes, they have accessories with them, universal, anything. And so that's it. So in case if anyone watching this video, you have a 310GS with you, so hopefully this video might help you also. And that's it. So in case you're here for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot. It would boost my inner whatever. It would boost my to boost my energy up to make more videos and all. So thank you so much for watching this video. So in case you have not watched the previous video, I'll put up the link somewhere there. So do watch the video also. And have I missed anything? Tata, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.